Hey guys, so today, I know it's a bit late, but I'll make a video reviewing the new Soccer Madness event weapon. And I actually completed the event yesterday, but I didn't make a video till right now because I was playing something else. And I forgot I forgot about the video until right now, and I'll review it and tell you guys if this weapon is good or if it's worth going for. From just alone in this event, I have spent nearly like 600 grenades, but like most of them are the normal ones. And to test this, I'm gonna compare this weapon with a thumper to see if it's better than thumper or weaker than thumper. And to test that, I'm going to use full anti-explosive and test which of the weapons kill me faster. Well, both of these weapons have one bullet, so let's start the testing right now. So that's one. Reload's pretty slow. 2, 3, 4. Oops. Alright, let's just shoot the wall. 1, 2, 3. So four bullets to kill a full anti-explosive armor, and let's test the thumper. One, 2, 3. Alright, so it takes 3 bullets for the thumper to kill a full anti-explosive set. So, and it takes 4 bullets for the new weapon to kill a full anti-explosive set. So, therefore, the thumper is still more powerful than the new weapon. And I also think that when you're holding the thumper, you actually run faster than holding the new weapon. I don't know what's it called. Air Canyon. So yeah, the thumper is more powerful, faster, has a faster reload time too. And the main question is this weapon worth spending like 600 grenades for? In my opinion, probably not. But if you have enough grenades, why not? Just from grenades, I think I spent like 150,000 cash. Not talking about real money, the in-game cash. 150,000. If you're rich enough to afford like a few hundreds of grenade, and the grenades, sometimes you will not kill your opponent, so you need to buy extras. And yeah, I ended up, I think, with like 5 grenades left after taking so long. But I know a tip that you could like finish the event really fast. Like, I know, like, make the event easier for you. There's a trick. You can either equip like the stake launchers, slow your opponents down and throw the grenade at them, or you could do the cricket trick. And the cricket trick is, I'll show you in a few moments how you do it. Gadgets. 1 grenade. The thing is, you throw the grenade and then shoot them for the damage, and boom, that's a grenade kill. It's that easy, guys. I'll show you guys one more. So you, oh, didn't I? Oh, I have to kill myself. Okay. They're not attacking me. Okay. Oh, there's a whiplash here too. So you throw a grenade, shoot them for the damn. That wasn't as planned. So you throw them a grenade, shoot them. Cause now the noisy cricket's nerfed, the damage won't kill them. So if you shoot them, it'll take like simply half of the health, and the grenade will finish them off. That's what I used for the event. It made it a lot easier. But the stake launcher one also works. See, it's that easy. And for the grenade recommendations, the hand grenades are really, really bad. But if you're like, if you're pro enough and you know the timing, then you could, like me, finish the event with these grenades. But the recommended grenades are the super grenade. It actually explodes faster than the hand grenades. Don't use explosive candy or dynamite, because for dynamite it takes 3 seconds to explode, and by that time 3 seconds passes, your opponent pretty much already left, and your explosive candy is too bouncy. It's not as accurate, so you hit it to the ground and it bounces away from your opponent, so it doesn't work as great. Shockwave grenades, they do decent, though. Yeah, they're actually pretty decent for this event. But I think the best is ultra grenade, because you throw them and they literally explode like 1 second after you use them, so the opponent won't have enough time to run away. I use about 90 of these for the event and like 400 hand grenades. The soccer ball is pretty bad. It never kills anyone because it goes way too far. And the Halloween grenades and the Easter ones are the same as hand grenades. They're no difference. They're just different decorations. You could use mines, but nobody's gonna really step on it. Trap metals work. I've used like 10 trap metals, but it takes pretty long. And since people wear anti-explosive, pretty hard to kill people with trap metals. Ninja bomb, no way. You can't even kill anyone with ninja bomb. And that's pretty much it. My tips and review. Turns out the weapon's okay, I guess. But is it worth all those grenades? Probably not. If I were to give this weapon a rating, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. And that's it for my review. And I'll see you guys next time.
Here we go.